Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I have an important news to share to you guys. Well, the news which I'm going to share today is going to be about one of the most famous virtual number applications in the market known as Textnow. And I'm going to share to you guys whether you should use the Textnow application in the year 2024 or not. Well, as of today, the date which I'm recording the video is 12th Jan 2024. So, well, it's already 2024. But before choosing your optimal application, you must first of all understand which are the problems which arises in the application and which problems are actually resolvable and which is not, and which is the best VPN to choose for this application. Well, I'm going to cover each and every part which I told you guys in this video. So make sure to watch this video until the end to understand everything about the Textnow application and the reasons why the problems are occurring too. First of all, we are going to cover which are the problems which is happening in the Textnow application. Well, there are primarily 4 errors or problems which are occurring in the Textnow application. If you guys have already watched some of my other videos stating out the problems and the reasons why it's happening, then you can just skip another 2 minutes of this video. But if you do not know what are the 4 problems and the ways to resolve it, then please make sure to watch this part. Well, the 4 errors in the Textnow application is going to be the installation error, which is that when you go search for Textnow application in the Google Play Store, it will be displayed like this: looking for Textnow call plus text unlimited. This app isn't available in Google Play in your region. This error actually occurs because Textnow application is only for users who are based in the North American continent. Especially Textnow is targeting the users from US and Canada. So people who are outside the North American continent, especially if you are located in Asia, you would be primarily displayed with this error. The next error is going to be the sign up error. That is, when you go and click on the sign up button in the Textnow application, you would be displayed with this error: Textnow is unavailable in your country. Well, this again happens because of the same reason which I told before. That's you would be, your IP is going to be located outside the US and Canada. Well, this error is actually resolvable. All the 4 errors, primary errors, are actually resolvable, but it takes a lot of hard work and effort to resolve it. In this video, I'll also be navigating you to the links which will help you to resolve all these 4 errors. The third error is going to be the area code error. That is when you are going to obtain a local for second phone number. Textnow is primarily famous because they give you a free second phone number with which you would be able to make unlimited calls and text within the US and Canada. So in order to do that, you would be prompted with this page where you would choose your designated area code and you would be given the option to choose from one of the 10 numbers displayed. But when you go and choose the area code, you'd be displayed with this error: an error has occurred, which makes you impossible to choose your own area code, or what should I say, it makes you impossible, and it won't even display the numbers no matter what area code you choose. So without a second phone number, the Textnow application is a pretty much waste application. The fourth and final error is going to be your account has been disabled error. Let's say you solve all the 3 errors and you finally obtain a second phone number too. After this 24 hours to within 3 days or maximum week, your account is going to get disabled with this message. Even though you would have an option to submit an appeal, I personally got this message and I submitted an appeal, but I did not get any response back. And I spoke to many of my friends who used the same application. They also did not get any response back. Let's say if you are a paid user and you actually pay for the Textnow application, well, then there are chances you would get a reply, but still it's not going to be satisfactory. Well, if you want to know the reason why all of the 4 errors started happening, then you would need to learn about the Textnow update of 2023. I have actually made a separate video showing you guys about the Textnow update of 2023 in detail. If you want to go watch it, I'll leave the video's link in the description and the first comment. But if you want to learn the information which I covered briefly, the reason on the Textnow update 2023 states that it's actually a thing between the government and the virtual number corporations. In order to reduce the spams or scams happening in the US by spam or scam callers, what they're doing is that they are restricting Asians access to the US numbers. And these applications like Textnow or let's say any other second phone number applications which provides with the free virtual number, they actually give you a number for free. So with that, a lot of scams are happening with the numbers. So in order to reduce that, the US government have stated a warning, let's say something like a warning to the top virtual number application providers to restrict this their applications used to within the North American continent, and especially told them to focus on the US and Canada regions. But once again, if you want to go watch this video in detail, the link is going to be in the description and the first comment. I would have pinned the comment. So before getting this video, please go make sure to take a look at the comment section. There will be a lot of important video links which will help you with your virtual number journey. So now you may ask me, I have stated the 4 errors. Are there actually ways to solve it? Well, as you can see, on 20 December 2023, I published a video stating you guys how to solve the Textnow error, and I actually gave you some other. I have posted a few videos in the previous year which will help you solve all the 4 errors. But right now, as of 2024, there is an update coming up in the Textnow application with which now none of the VPNs are actually going to work with the Textnow application. So until the update comes up, we have some time. When the update comes up, I'll be making sure that I post a video. So guys, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button located near the subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from my channel, and keep waiting for that video. When is the Textnow 2024 update going to come up? Well, I got an important update to share to you guys, not about the Textnow application, but it's going to be an update regarding my channel, Protech Genius. Well, if you are a regular watcher of my channel, then you would obviously know about this. But if not, well, recently we have got a channel montage, so now you will be able to find the join button near the subscribe button. So make sure to click on the join button and check out the perks which is being provided by channel, like one-to-one error solving tutorials and exclusive member-only videos, and connecting with us on social media, which will definitely help you in your social media or virtual number journey. So now if I'm going to tell you guys which VPNs are actually going to work with the Textnow application, well, in my previous videos, I actually made Textnow application with the VPN, Proton VPN, and I actually showed you guys real live working proof too. But nowadays, Proton VPN is not working. So, are there any other alternative applications? Well, yes. Recently, in 2020, I mean December 20 of 2023, I used the IPVanish VPN, but now the IPVanish VPN is not working too. So in order to use or choose the best VPN which works with the Textnow application, you first of all have to segregate the VPNs into like 3 categories: good, bad, or moderate, and you must choose a good application which has less users. Proton is a pretty much new VPN which has less number of users. So it was working for me previously, but now this application is not working. Well, IPVanish has a lot of servers, so it was working for me, but now once again, the IPVanish VPN is not working for me, even though it's a paid VPN, and I do not recommend you guys purchase any separate special VPN. So, what is the best VPNs for the Textnow application? Well, for now, I should say that there are no best VPNs for the Textnow application. So, why the hell am I making this video? Well, it's because I am suggesting guys to shift from the Textnow application. Like I told before, this is just a news video. So for 2024, Textnow is not actually one of the best applications. Let's say if you're focusing on social media creations and like such as WhatsApp and Instagram, and you need an American number to make social media accounts, then the best alternative is obviously going to be the Text Plus application. I'll show you guys proof too. As you can see, I myself have a WhatsApp account from the number which I got from the Text Plus application. But remember, once again, this application is not suited for cold calling, as they do not give you free calling and texting features. So which application is going to be best for cold calling, and which application is best for social media accounts? all the details are actually put into separate videos. And again, once again, the videos links are going to be in the description in the first comment, so please go take a look at it. If we're going to cover all the topics in this single video, then it's going to this video's length or duration is going to be an hours, I guess. So nobody is going to watch a video which is more than 10 minutes long. So I'm trying to make this video short, so that's the reason why I'm making separate videos for everything. I made a video showing you guys the best Textnow alternatives too. Please go take a look at it too. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you understood what I was coming to say. If you have not yet understood, the thing which I covered in this video is going to be, do not choose the Textnow application in 2024. If you're choosing, then you would have to go through a lot of hard works. But still, it's going to work. You would be able to obtain a number like right now I have an application, Textnow application number on my own, but it's going to take a lot of hard work, and that hard work is not worth it in the year 2024. Please choose the other alternative applications. I'll be making sure to post a video on the best VPNs for the Textnow application. So until that time, please wait. I'm right now researching. I guess within 5 days I'll try to post the video. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until then. Do not forget to click on thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. And like I told before, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from my channel. And make sure to take a look at the perks which is being provided from being a member of a community. And guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until then. It's me, Surya Prakash, signing off. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.